Hello, students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I started lesson 15 explanation part. Name of a lesson is our festivals. So today, I am going to explain you about Pongal festival. Before going to the textbook explanation part, let me give you some important points on this festival so that you can remember very easily and you can understand the explanation part very easily. Listen carefully. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu. Got it? It is a harvest festival which is celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu and it is also celebrated in Kerala. It is also called Thai Pongal. It is also called Thai Pongal. The festival is celebrated as a thanking ceremony to God. It's a festival. Why they celebrate? It's a thanking ceremony to God. It is celebrated in the mid of January every year. It is celebrated when? In the mid of January every year. Pongal celebrations last for 3 days. How many days? 3 days. The 3 days of celebration are Bhogi Pongal, Surya Pongal, Muttu Pongal. What is Pongal? Pongal is the main dish that is prepared and served to God Sun. Served to God's Son on this day. How they prepare? With the help of rice and milk. People wear new clothes. Anyhow, people wear new clothes in every festival, right? Pongal corresponds to Makar Sankranti that is celebrated all over India. And your Sankranti we all celebrate, right? So it is corresponds to Makar Sankranti. Now listen the textbook explanation part. Pongal is harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It's an harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is also celebrated in Kerala. As I mentioned you just now, it is also celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated in the month of January. The farmers ripe the rice harvest. They are carefree and happy. They are carefree and happy. This is the reason they celebrate this harvest festival. Named as Pongal. They express their joy by celebrating Pongal. They express what? Their joy by celebrating this festival. Pongal is celebrated for 3 days. As I mentioned you just now, first day Bhogi Pongal. The first day of the festival is called Bhogi Pongal. The second day of the festival is called Surya Pongal. On Surya Pongal they worship Surya. The third day of festival is known as Muttu Pongal. What is the third day mentioned here? Name of the festival? Muttu Pongal. On this day what they do, listen, it is the day of cow worship. They decorate them with various colors. They decorate cows and all with various colors, especially cows. It's a day of worshipping cow. Then the cattle are fed with fried cakes. At night, a great feast is held. People of all classes sit together and enjoy the feast. People of all classes means what? Who lives in the village, they all come together and they celebrate this festival. Got it? Here is a picture of Surya Pongal. It's a worshipping of Surya. Students, have a glance here. These are some pictures of Pongal celebration. How they prepare, how they decorate their houses, you can see here. See, they are worshipping Surya in this picture. It's an harvest festival, right? Here in this picture you can see clearly they decorated their cow in a very good manner and they are worshipping. With the help of important points as well as some pictures, I believe you understood this festival very clearly. How they celebrate, what is the importance of this festival, and all. I underlined few vocabulary here. Work on that. Thank you. Have a nice day.